Got a bit of motivation on today. And concreted up the other side. I had done that tail light, gutted it like that one, but fucking ran it over when I packed out a few days ago. Just had it sitting there like a dickhead, wasn't mounted, just fell off. But yeah. But been putting some fucking blade in, putting a blade in this side today. This is some pretty thick fucking steel up there. Welded it to the chassis rail, don't hassle my welding. Knife edge on that side, and got this fucking piece of bar going up there. She's fully welded around the back and up the top. So yeah, that's pretty hearty. I don't want to pull the car in myself, but. And this is this side. My welding's not the best, but it doesn't matter. She's fucking solid, mate. And yeah, cut her there, and can fucking reshape that knife whenever. Tested it with 17s on, fits easy as. Has to hold the bumper up like that. So yeah, those are fucking putty welds, but no one likes to weld fucking panel steel to fucking mold steel, do they?